Hello, dear aquarists. Look, the fish house at the back. I sometimes do some work on fish diseases, and today I will show you a disease of a dwarf cichlid, Apistogramma. And I may be wrong, but it's highly unlikely. If you have critical things about my work I'm doing, well, tell me, give some comments, and watch now my presentation I prepared for you in this PowerPoint. So I want to share with you what I found in the Apistogramma agassizi with a bacterial infection in case 189. And of course, some of you might have already my books on fish diseases and learn something more about fish diseases. Here we see the dwarf cichlids, the Apistogramma. You see some of them in the back with an abnormal behavior. They're getting dark, they're clamping the fins, they become skinny, they lose color, and sometimes there was a dead fish reported. Yes. The Apistogramma agassizi, we took a skin scraping and we saw lots of bacteria. Like you can see here, this group of millions of bacteria covering the scale. And we saw some damaged gills with gill rot. Yes, most likely this is all caused by the bacterial infection, and that's why the fish will suffer and die and not eating well. The internal organs, the spleen and the liver, here on the left the spleen and on the right the liver, were in bad condition. You see these black markings and spots inside. This is not normal. It should be clear, healthy, red or orange tissue. And here we see a video of the millions of bacteria which you see moving around. Now we go to the highest magnification, 400. And that you notice, well, the millions of moving bacteria. It's a mix of bacteria that we found internally in the organs of the fish. Well, what can we recommend for you how to act and what to do? Well, we found damage caused by bacteria. So of course you have to start treating. But the first thing you have to check, how is the quality of your water, your filter, the fish food you're giving? That is all important that you fix that before you start treating. Use an antibacterial medication, not a disinfectant, that will not be effective. And ask your shop or your fish doctor, that can help you. Also, the advice of the aquarium shop is worthwhile going to. So select a good shop where you can get advice from somebody who is acquainted with dealing with infections and how to treat. Or you can see my books, which I explain a lot details how to treat the fish diseases. And at the same time, yes, of course, I can recommend Dr. Bassleer Biofish Food, Grapefruit Seed Extract Moringa, or the Fuco, or the Professional Treat, all helpful for the fish to, what can I say, recover and to fight off bacterial infections. So try to get my books. The link is below where you can order the books. Stay tuned. I give more training and my fish doctoring for specialists, and you can find my books. So I hope this helped you to understand fish diseases, but I may be wrong, but it's highly unlikely. Thank you for watching.